Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Let us proceed with week 8 for a question a day. So the first question for this week is from chapter 3, and the first question is, this is the question: a box is exerted by two forces as shown in the figure above. So we have 300 Newton and force 700 Newton. Determine the magnitude of the third force that needs to be exerted so that the box is in equilibrium. So when the box is in equilibrium, hopefully all of us know that the summation of force exerted on this box is equal to 0. That is what is meant by equilibrium. Since in this case we have theta here, and we know that our force 700 Newton is going to be resolved to the x component and also y component, meaning that our summation of force is divided into summation of force in x component must be 0 in equilibrium, and also summation of force for y component is also equal to 0. Okay, so since forces is a vector, then the first step is always to draw the direction or to sketch the direction. First, let us rearrange all the vectors we have, 700 Newton and 300 Newton, in one axis. So this is xy axis, and this is our 700 Newton. Okay, so let us symbolize it as F2, and we have 300 Newton for our F1, 300, okay, 700. So we have angle theta here. Using the zigzag theory from mathematics, the theta 30 degree is also equal to angle theta here. So our angle theta is at this position. Okay, so when we resolve F2, we're going to have F2y downward, so it's going to be negative, and we have F2x, okay, in a positive x direction. Okay, so even to generate the equation, F2y is equal to 700 sine 30 degree, F2x is equal to 700 cos 30 degree. Okay, and this is our value of F1. So now let us just use the equation. So for summation of force in x-axis, okay, it says here that we need to find another force, the third force, okay, so that the forces is in equilibrium. So the way we write down the answer for this question is going to be F1 plus F2x plus F3x is equal to 0. Then we substitute all the values. 300 plus 700 cos 30 plus F3x is equal to 0. Okay. Then using your calculator, we'll get F3x is equal to negative 906.22 Newton. Okay. Then using the same concept for y-axis, so summation of Fy is equal to F1y plus F2y plus F3y is equal to 0. We don't have F1y is 0, then we have F2y is equal to negative 700 sine 30 degree. It is plus F3y is equal to 0. Then you'll get F3y is equal to, supposed to be 350 Newton. Then to get the magnitude, okay, the resultant of the third force is equal to f3x squared plus f3y squared square root. So we have negative 0.22 square plus 350 squared square root. Then your F3 is supposed to be 971.49 Newton. So that's the answer.